want to make a breakfast casserole. I'm going to use mild Italian sausage. You can use whatever kind you like. I think chicken sausage would be very nice. I'm going to use milk, mozzarella, tomatoes, basil, Anaheim chili, garlic, shallot, eggs, salt, pepper. Let's get started. I have the sausage going. I've never bought this brand of sausage before. It doesn't seem like there's any fat in there. I may have to add some because I'm going to add the Anaheim, the one shallot. I have about a half a pound of sausage in here. Maybe a little bit over, but you need about a half a pound. And the one garlic. I'm going to cook this up and try to break up the sausage. I have this all cooked up, nice and browned up. I turn the heat down and to cook it slower. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of basil in here. Turn the heat off and just let this basil sit in here and cool down with the sausage. I have my 4 eggs here. I'm going to add salt, 1/4 teaspoon. I'm using white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. And then the cup of milk. And we'll let this get this mixed up. I put my sausage in my 8x8 baking pan. I did spray it with a cooking spray. I'm going to add about a half a cup of mozzarella cheese to this. Then I'm going to add the eggs mixture. And next the tomatoes. Just kind of overlap them some. Oh, and the tomatoes I cut up and I put on paper towels so that they wouldn't be so very watery. And then I'll put a half a cup of cheese on top. You know, you can use more cheese if you like. It's all up to you. And into my 375 degree oven. Here it is out of the oven. It baked for 25 minutes. I would check it at 20 minutes and let this cool off and we'll have a taste. Let's have a taste of this. The sausage kind of bubbles up into the eggs and mixes very well. It's really good. I want to thank you so much for watching.